Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Troubleshooting and installing the Poster Python module. Introduction. The Poster Python module is a powerful tool for making HTTP requests, specifically designed for working with the HTTP POST method. It's a useful library when you need to interact with web services and APIs that require sending data in the body of a POST request. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the installation process of the Poster module and address common errors that you might encounter. Prerequisites. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed on your system. If you haven't installed Python, download it from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Step 1. Installing Poster. To install the Poster module, you can use the pip package manager, which is the standard package manager for Python. Open your command prompt or terminal and enter the following command. This command will download and install the Poster module and its dependencies from the Python package index, PyPI. If all goes well, you should see a successful installation message. Step 2. Verifying the installation. To verify that Poster has been installed correctly, open a Python environment, example idle or Jupyter Notebook, and try importing the module. If no errors occur during the import, the installation was successful. Common installation errors and solutions. Module not found error, no module named Poster. Permission denied. SSL certificate errors. If the problem persists, consider using a tool like Certify to update.